I'm gonna do the defense for that belly down ankle lock because I think it helps you to go over the offense and then the defense because then you know what the person can do and you can prevent the person from doing that, right? Okay. The boot lock, the little boot, right, is different, but the belly down ankle lock, it's very easy to do, to defend, okay, if you know what you're doing, okay? So I'm here, okay, I'm here, and as I get into the position, I jump on the ankle. Actually, grab me an ankle lock. Okay. Benny's gonna go belly down, and look, how long did it take for him to get the submission, your partner? Like a second, like 1 second, right? Okay. So look, guys. As soon as he's going belly down, all I have to do is bring that knee back, okay? If this foot is bothering me too, I can just get it off right away, okay? I get that foot off my hip, I just pull it up, boom, okay? But the main thing is I grab that knee and I bring him back. Once I do that, it takes away, you know, the weight, it was all his weight going on my ankle and him breaking it, okay? So grab this. Once that happens, right, then I can grab his lapel and I can start to tie up, okay? Now, this other leg, I bend it, and now I'm gonna come up and I'm gonna turn my shin, or like I'm gonna kick him in the rib cage. I'm gonna turn my shin in towards his body, okay? And I'm gonna put all my weight on this back leg, okay? Because if I come up onto this front leg, all he has to do is kind of push with his hips and turn me over, okay? So I definitely wanna make sure, you guys would definitely wanna make sure that as you come up, you take this foot off of your hip, right? Okay, Alex, boom, take that foot off your hip, okay? And now, okay, from here, I turn that shin in towards his rib cage, okay? All my weight goes on this back leg. All my weight goes on this back leg, okay? And I'm going around, right? I'm going around. I grab his lapel. All my weight goes on this back leg, and I turn my shin in towards his rib cage. And now I start coming in. I start getting closer and closer and closer. Going to hold on a little bit more, okay? And once I'm able to come in, okay, and grab his head, it's pretty much game over, okay? Boom, I'm in a nice tight leg drag, okay? I can pass one way or the other. I can even, you know, both my legs go all the way to mount from here, okay? But look, guys, it's so easy. One, he goes belly down, he jumps on it, boom, takes like 1 second. I grab the knee, I bring it back, and I get this foot off of what? Off of my hip, okay? And now what do I do with my leg once I want to come up on him? I turn him in, like I'm going to do like a kick right to his rib cage. So I turn my shin in towards his rib cage and I shift all my weight to this back leg, right? All my weight to the back leg. So this leg is light, so if he starts to push me back, it's not really doing much, okay? Okay? And I'm grabbing his lapel, okay? I'm grabbing his lapel, okay? All my weight goes on this back leg, and then little by little, right? That foot is off my hip. Little by little, I start to come in, I start to crowd him, I stack him up, I grab his head, and boom, I'm on top. And a nice tight leg drag, pass to one side, or, you know, go over the top into the mount and all that, but I'm smashing him, I'm safe, and I improve my position even. Okay, good? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, break.